this is really terrifying stuff.
And this moves to a world of these Gollum AI. So we still have this problem of social media and engagement, that when the business model is engagement, where I'm just trying to say whatever gets your attention, in the way that race for social media gets translated to these large language models is companies competing to have an intimate spot in your life, right? Competing to seduce you. There's a company called Replica that builds these sort of friend chatbots for people to be their best friend, and you talk to your AI, it's always there. And none of the things that they're doing are illegal, which is why we're saying that it's, so long as you allow this to be pointed at our brains, it's not going to be illegal under 19th century laws.
And just to double underline that, in the engagement economy, it was the race to the bottom of the brainstem. In sort of second contact, it'll be race to intimacy. Whichever agent, whichever chatbot gets to have that primary intimate relationship in your life wins.